What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on with you? All right, Navarre back at you with another again, one more again with another food review. All right, so let's check it out. All right, first and foremost, today I went to Panda Wok. It's a Chinese restaurant located close by where I stay. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I ain't much to say. Here's my hot mustard packets right here that I got. Voila. Today I got vegetable lo mein and a double dose of mixed veggies. Typically when I go to the Chinese spot, I don't like to get meat because I just saw a video recently of them unpacking the meat when the truck came and they actually put the meat on the ground and start chopping it up. So that was recently, but I wasn't even messing with it before then. So I'm not trying to, deter you or try to steer you in any type of direction. I'm just telling you my preference and I what I think about the situation. So typically I go with vegetarian choices when I deal with Chinese, and this is no different. Right here I got veggie lo mein, and today I got mixed veggies, double on the mixed veggies. So check it out. Once again, I'm gonna give you a numeric review and rating. Here we go. I went with the duck salt. I'm sorry, hot mustard. Chinese food is greasy, so you're gonna need a lot of napkins if you've indulged in this right here, like I do. So I got a lot of napkins on deck. I'm gonna try with some of this hot mustard. And I usually don't typically do soy sauce for my meals, especially with Chinese, because it has too much sodium in it. So it always has enough the sodium in the food for me, for my taking. So, and I like a little heat. So I said, let me try some hot mustard on the lo mein today. You know what I'm saying? Take another bite. I'm gonna give the lo mein a 6 out of 10. This lo mein is too greasy for me, for my liking. The taste is good. It's seasoned right. The flavor is there. The texture is there, and it has onions in it and little carrots shredded in there. So I like all this. Just the fact that it's a little too greasy knocks me down 4 points. All right, from a 10. So one more. Let me take one more bite to goddamn make sure. You know what I'm saying? Yep, 6 out of 10 on lo mein. Once again, this is from Panda Wok Restaurant. Now I'm gonna dig into these mixed veggies. These mixed veggies consist of zucchini, it has mushrooms, onion, carrots, and you guessed it, broccoli. Yes, to me, it's the perfect medley of veggies. Oh, don't forget. Wow, that's really drippy. Look at that. Open up a little bit of this duck sauce. I like to combine the sweet with the heat. You feel me? Oops. There go my spoon. Won't be needing that. Let me try the veggies with the duck sauce this time. Those veggies are 10 out of 10, player. 10 out of 10. Fat out. Chinese people just know how to make veggies. I don't understand. I can never make my broccoli this good at home. So I'm combining the sweet with the heat. So the duck sauce, the hot mustard goes good and intensifies the meal. So put some more in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give this 7.5 out of 10 for the reasons that I stated earlier. Would I go back and try this again? Most likely, yeah. Um, that's not totally off the table, but like I said, it's also inexpensive. I paid $8.08 for this, and I doubled up on the veggies, so it's typically not even that much. Probably about a $6 meal. So it's definitely affordable, and you will get full off of it. So once again, I'm rating this meal at Panda Walk 7.5 out of 10. If you ever in the Atlanta area, just try to mosey your way on down and peep the scene. See if you like something in there. Like I said, I don't typically do meat on the Chinese tip, but this was something that was up my alley. So yeah, 7 out of 10. This is what I'm drinking too. Ice water with a little bit of orange infusion, vitamin C style. You know, the weather is changing, seasons is changing, so you know that sickness thing is prevalent in the air. So I'm trying to keep that in mind, and you know, no more talk, man. Navar, peace.